Just kidding. I'm kidding. All right, on your mark. Ears, get set. Go.
Go, Thaddeus. Go, 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 go. You can do it. Scoot.
Josh, I'm going to disqualify you. I'm going to disqualify you.
Oh, no.
You can't just put your face in and take a bite and quit. Get in there and eat it, son. You get in there. Whoa, Thaddeus. Thaddeus, you're going to need to get all this stuff on the outside, too. All right, Mia, how's it going over here? Slow and steady, that wins the race. Josh, keep your face in the pie and eat it.
Stop it, Gia!
I'll make sure they won't eating the pie. No.
Daddy, you have to eat it. I want to embrace it.
Are you done?
Good. I'm sorry, maybe this water is for Daddy. Daddy, you have to clean that up.
Thaddeus, you have to eat the sides, too. Everything is falling out.
I just did this to wipe my face in it.
Karen, he has to kill someone.
Mia, even though you haven't done very much, you are actually the favorite to win this. You know that?
I ate a man's eyeball!
Wait a minute, maybe the potato.
Thaddeus, you need to eat all that. Eat it. You can't do that.
Just eat it.
Go slow. Table. Go faster.
Karen! Will you get my stampy thingy?
Thaddeus, eat it.
Holly, will you get my stamp then? It's over on the table. What?
Good job,
Can you get my
Thaddeus.
stamp then? Where is it? On that table, and it's blue.
This is why, yes, he is going to clean it
You
up.
can do it.
This is why.
Is Mia technically winning?
I'm gonna throw it away.
No, you're going to clean that up.
I know. I'm not eating that.
Yes. Napkins.
It's on my nose and it hurts.
Mia, you are the winner. Nice job.
Yeah.
You don't have to keep eating.
She wants to.
You can if you want.
Mia.
Why don't you call it quits, huh?
No.
Okay, Mia's going to keep going.